So OnePlus 12 is going to launch in January on 24th around that time, and the price will go above 60,000 rupees, and you will be getting this phone in two variants. One is 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, and 16 GB RAM, 512 GB of storage. And these two storages you will be able to see in China right now. They are also getting 1 TB of storage. I think they will provide 512 GB of storage in India, not above that. That's my opinion. I think that's gonna be the case. Moving on, the specification that you will get in the phone is, first of all, you will get 6.82 inches of screen, which is bigger screen, bigger than any of the screen you have seen. Even in iQOO 12, that is also having 6.7. It is having adding one more thing to it, 6.82 inches. So you are getting a bigger screen. Plus, this is an AMOLED display, which is good, and 120 Hz of refresh rate is there. It should be around 144 Hz, but it's OnePlus. Moving on, that's I have to say, because previous variants are not really good. So moving on, you are getting 8 Gen 3 in the phone, which is a good processor, and this processor is really amazing processor. You have to see again what they have to do with this processor. Since in previous processor they have done really a bad thing, although it wasn't their fault really. It was Samsung's fault for making the Snapdragon processor. But anyways, we have to wait and see till actually it gets out and actually people use it. We have to see for that time. If you're watching my video, don't buy it until and unless, let it be a month or so. So after February, buy this phone if you are really going for OnePlus, or rather consider other phones even if it is having a good specification. Moving on to the specs, you are also getting 50 megapixel of wide angle camera, plus you're also getting 64 megapixel of periscopic telephoto lens, plus in the phone you are also able to get the 48 megapixel of ultra wide angle camera. Camera terms, it looks okay, except for the ultra wide angle camera. They can also give 50 megapixel or 64 megapixel. All the phones in 2024 will be featuring a periscopic telephoto lens. I have seen them all. They are featuring the 64 megapixel of camera of that. So yeah, that's a thing in 2024. So moving on to the front side, but before that, it will be having 8K at 24 FPS, which is good. Providing 8K in the phone. On the front side, we are able to see 32 megapixel of camera with. You are also able to get 4K on the front side. 4K at 30 FPS will be provided in the phone. Plus, you are also getting 5500 mAh of battery with 100 watt of wired charging, which is again good thing about this. And I don't see any of the down things in terms of the specification. But let actual phone come out, let the actual experience come out from the people, and then we'll see. And if you are like really watching my video right now, most stuff are out there. Samsung is out there even in these price, so it will go above 60,000. So go for Samsung, don't go for OnePlus. That's my recommendation. So yeah, found this video informative, like the video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. There is not really much of a thing come out from OnePlus. These are all the specification, although the phone will be heavy in weight. So yeah, the screen is big, the phone will be heavy as the battery has increased because of that reason. And although the phone specs are really good, but still, prefer Samsung, And if you're going down, go for iQOO 12, it's better. So if you're really going towards that 2024 mark phone, and if you really want OnePlus, then wait for it. Wait for actual experience of the phone. We'll tell you then. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. I am signing.